Hey there, welcome back to Cooking with Dave. I'm Dave. So let me ask you a question. Last time you made mashed potatoes and you made too many of them, what did you do? Did you throw them out? I hope not. Because today I'm going to show you what you have to do. Okay? To get the mashed potatoes that you have left over, we're going to make fried potato balls. Yes, that's what I said. Fried potato balls. I got my oil heating up here. I made up the potatoes already a couple days ago, and I had a big bowl of mashed potatoes left over, and I thought that's the perfect thing. So what we do is take the mashed potatoes, we put one whole onion in the food processor and grind it up, add it to the mashed potatoes, take about 2 cups of the sharp cheddar cheese, and I mix it in there. I form into balls. I put them in the freezer, freeze up overnight, and today we're going to dip them in the egg mixture and into the breadcrumbs, and we're going to fry them up. Take the lid off our oil first so we can get that. Alright, just dip them in the egg, right in the breadcrumbs, like that. Put them back on there. Rinse, repeat. It are going to be the cornflakes. The other rack, that's going to be for drying them when they come out. And while theirs are heating up, while these are heating up, I'll get the rest of these done. Take the winners over the losers any day. Without a doubt, I know they're going to be good. Got a nice crunch to it. Like I said, you can taste the cheddar, the onion, the Vidalia Onion. I didn't put any salt and pepper in it. I left that up to the breadcrumbs. But yeah, I mean, you got leftover mashed potatoes, and you don't feel like having mashed potatoes again, or the kids are complaining, I don't want mashed potatoes. There you go. Fry up some potato balls. Do it up. Try it. Yeah. Make sure you like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and leave a comment. Alright. God bless. Have a great day.